Good day. This is Primary 6 from Section S4A from the Activity Emergency Decision Making Simulation. Captain, there's smoke coming from the cargo hold. The fire suppression system is activated, but the situation is escalating. I repeat, there's a smoke coming from the cargo hold. The fire suppression system is activated, but the situation is escalating.
Thank you for immediate update. Alert the crew, initiate emergency protocols, and ensure safety gear is distributed. I'll inform the authorities and request assistance if needed.
Hi, Captain. Attention all hands. Attention all hands. This is not a drill. There's a fire in the cargo hold. Follow emergency protocols and prioritize safety. Let's stay calm and work together. Proceed to master station.
Sir, the main engine just failed. I've been restarting, but it's not responding.
Keep trying. I'll inform the bridge.
Okay, sir.
Bridge, this is the engine room. We've encountered a sudden engine failure. We're troubleshooting, but it may take time. We need to reduce speed and maintain stability in this storm.
Understood. We'll adjust the ship's heading to minimize the impact of the wave. Keep us updated.
Sir, there's a man overboard, sir.
Activate the man overboard alarm and throw a life ring. Bridge, we have a man overboard on the port side preparing for rescue maneuvers. I repeat, we have a man overboard on the port side preparing for rescue maneuvers.
Sincerity allowed our teams to maintain clear and honest communication, preventing confusion during the crisis.
By being sincere, we built among team member, leading to a quicker and more effective decision making.
Sincere communication helped us convey the urgency of the situation accurately, enabling a prompt and coordinated response.
Sincerity ensure that critical information was shared transparently, reducing the risk of misunderstanding.
Sir, basa naman.
Being sincere allowed us to address challenges openly, fostering collaboration and problem solving under pressure.